Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. As you can see here, we've got another HoloTaco haul. So let's work on that. This is the blue-green nail file. I got the purple one in my first order. And I loved it so much, I wanted to have the other two just in case. Ooh, I do really like the colors of this. It's a lot brighter in person. Really like that one. Okay. So the first box. Oh, I love the stickers and the box. This kind of packaging makes me feel like I'm an influencer in a way. Well packaged items, branded with a great formula. Trying not to break my nails. Ooh, the entire sticker is hollow. Oh, it's not showing up on my camera. Alright, so in this box, we have long-lasting base coat, a unicorn skin, and I believe this is the glossy taco. Yes, this is glossy taco. And then in this box, oops, let's stick this is the first anniversary top coat. It's the gold flaky taco. Just want to see what this one looks like. Oh, that is beautiful. And then this one, I believe, is Rainbow Snow. And I think this one's from the holiday collection. How pretty that is. And that is the short and sweet version of a nail polish haul. Thanks for joining me, and I think the next one is going to be another Star Gem Cosmetics order. So if you like what you're seeing, please subscribe to my channel. You can also find me as Forged by Blackfire. That's my business channel. And